I just
Okay.
So, good morning to all. Today, the purpose of this meeting is to provide the details regarding the reforms undertaken by Government of Mizoram to facilitate ease of business and reducing the compliance burden. And for that purpose, Honorable Chief Minister desired that whatever work we have done, it should be conveyed to the people so that that can be converted into in a action plan. So that is the purpose of this entire press briefing today. So I would request Honorable Chief Minister to just explain the entire concept of this press briefing.
Le, si Baivak ule. Voina kan press conference kay mani kan state sarkar in trul kan tiwang. So po ni Lavin, central sarkar dudan le kan prime minister ina adudan zuzuya a press conference in itur kan niya. Central sarkar le kan sarkar hiyan inanna tamtak kan niya. System change kan du veve kalpung thak nang lam. Kalpung thalo athazoka thak seng so zela. Kalpung thar introduce zel hi kan dua. Imani state apo engem mosat kan introduce toa. It's one central lamatangin heng ti ngai anti aron omboka chung chu kan lo ngai mo to sa tele an ma ni na trulanti an ron sente an ni a. Om je chu thil ti ol samdan ani. Kan dan le Friday kan order te kan guideline te thileng kim mai ol sam zok le lang tlang zok ka akala corruption te po alo bo theina turata na malak na ani a. Chu compliance reduction and deregulation reforms tiania reform ani sarkar kalpung siam thatna ani a. Tichuan atumber chu dan le frai trul lo le rit lutuk ti tlem te kalpung ti ol sam te inrin ton na thupuya mangchunga ro rel na kalpui te mi pui te nena inring to na kalpui tin sum don na lama le mason na le investment ate entrepreneurship ate economic lama ma kan son na te environment tha kan neya ol sam takathil kan ti theina tura ruwa manna ani a emiatan hian Mizoram chuan Right to Public Service Act kha tun ma dewa tangkhan kan lo nei to a kan sarkar nu hianin ka Right to Service Act nuaya ti tura kha engem mazat kan thun bel le a tun seng hian Right to Service Act nuaya mi puite tanga complain kan la dong lovani sumi kan ngai to chuan sarkar hian kan ti thale ti in angai theya amaro chu anivek lovin rin na deuh kania mi puite hian awareness kan tlak chamwang ani ve theini entinan silai license kadila driving license kadila inhun pass kadila sum don lama engemo registration ti tu ne wala oma kan kha entin na mai ni a khang the lu atanga ti fel hun chung kha Right to Public Service Act no hian anei ve kani chu mi puiten kan hriat lo chuan kan right ka claim na chang kan hrel ba sarkar kan vadora rei tak sarkar atangin a chan na om lovin kan om theya khang kan va thil ti kha Right to Service Act no hian ni chu ti za chunga chan nge tur ti te alo ni theya chu ami puite lamin kan hriat tlat lo chuanin complain na chang po kan hrelo theya chu bang chuan voin hi kan mangrem chang duwa voina kan thil ti ina atum ber pakhat jinga mi chu mi puite service rang taka pe อันนี้รังตะกะเป็กตัวซิงชวนเงมซาที่หุ่นบินเอฟิกซ์อันนี้จุดยังขัดยังดีลน่าอารมณ์ชวนเทลัวตรงนิจุดที่จัดชูงาที่เฟลเงยตัวที่ข้าวฟัวตาจะมีชูงาที่เฟลอันนี้เราชวนอจวลกูเทบกะจุงเซลักขันจู่กันรำมีปุยเทียนกันละเชียงตกโลเดียวอันนี้ไม่เทียกันมีเดียเขาเตปอกกันจ่าดูจู่ไอ้วอร์ดักจักเดียวเล็กวลังอินมีปุยเต้นกันไรที่เสียละข้าแต่จังคันดีพาร์ตเมนต์ลำปังอินาอาหุนากันซิติเซนเตทิลเทลุกันช่างโลอันนี้จวนอันนี้เป็นอันนั้นเคลมาทรัซอกรองกันอินบอสักต้นเทในตัวคันข้าปอยหมอเล่นกันเสียอันนี้ทีนมี deregulation จุงจ้างไอ้เฮียนินCentral Cabinet Secretary หน่วย Special Task Force อันดีน่าจุดมีที่ชวนมินวิลเรื่องขาดตกิน report กันเป๊กเรื่องง่ายแต่เฮียน Department ปอยหมอจวล Another Department Big อันตาจู่ Commerce and Industries เด Geology and Mining กันหันติเตเลagency ช่างกันในตาแต่ส่วนนี้department ช่างลายเฮียนินมาละตัวบีอันตาจู่กันแล้วรอนสวยชวังไอ้February นี่ขัดนิคุมสังเหสมนิปังอาจังรอนตีจันอันนี้มีปุยเตผู้ริดเองติงกันตีเนียมเทียงที่สร์การจังพัลนลากันวดีลเตเองติงอลซัมซอกเลหุ่นปิเตียมชุงกันหูเทียงจุมีตานชวนเกยมานี่เขรวักลง่ายหรือว่าเละข้าวเทลุเขรง่ายหรือว่ากันหุนากันโมบายโฟนจังออนไลน์นะที่ไม่เทเตข้างตะขาตัวนายเฮียนพอร์ตัลที่กันสร์การหน่วยเฮียนอัธาริสมลีบอร์เวลกันเสียมจวกตอนนี้หุนา sitting room มาทุจุงปอกันสร์การกันดอร์เซนตุรินขัดยังจีเตข้างข้ากัน local ปุยตัวจู่India สร์การหน่วยเฮียน Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade DPIIT กันที่เฮียนินอารอนวิลเรงสุมีชวน State ช่าง performance มินเตสักตาเฮตาเฮียนนิคุมชุงขันอินเดียรัมปุ่มปุยเฮียนอติชัดลำสองปนีนะกันนี่อันนี้สุบางส่วนกันติดชาทกขตาอวันทางจุงละมักกันอินลางเทียกันดีพาร์ตเมนต์ส่งเตเนนักกันทอหงนะอัชัดวางอันนี้ลองเลนี่จู่เฟสวันนี่กุมินาเฮียนินเฟสทูกันเราลุดเลตาจันวาริชาตังงานเฟสทูกันกัลปุยตาตัวน่าเฟสทูกันกัลปุยนันฮิตเลมินอดังลำเดียวเล็กเฟสวันนักชวนที่เอ็งมหันเสียมเรมไหมข้านี่ตัวน่าฮิตชวนินมีปุยเตตานาอลซัมนากันสุกเป็กตัวทิลกุมลุนมันเร่งไทตัวได้ไรตัวเต็นcompliance พอจุดยังชวนินสเตทสร์การdepartment ช่างเต็นอันโซมมที่พอขาดตัวกับ report เร่งที่สุดเร่งง่ายตัวรังจีค่ะอันนี้เดวบิ๊กส่วนนี้มี reform phase 2ฮิตชวนินแต่ชวนินpriority area อันนั้นทั้งชัวร์สมนิเลปฐุมไลน์นี่ข้ามีอาคารมิโซรามาชวนให้เตียง problem กันในเวลาก็อินิตันชวนให้สตูลโลเวตีเตกันเนี่ยมิโซรามาชวนให้อัตรูเล่หันตีเตกันเนี่ยจุงจูกันหันฟูบิงตาตาคาน priority area สักกันหันเตจูรัมมันดันเล่ industry มาสอนนะอันนี้ไอ้กันรัมเตโปรัมเตกัน introduceนี่ property card เตกัน introduceตัวน่าเฮียนินการหันดิจิทัลโซเซล่ะขัดยังคานิน all ซัมโซกินทิลกันตีทิน industry เตโปเกี่ยมานี่กัน entrepreneur เต็นนิเทยอินเดียรามา company เต็นนิเทย foreign company ปอนิเทยเฮต้า investment ที่อันดูอันนั้นกัลคาน registration นั่นจังทิลตีทรูซงสงค่ะ all ซัมเทียงเป็นเองตินเงอันติเทียงกัลกัลง่ายเลยว่าดอกการช่างofficial ช่างว่าดอกกัลวักง่ายเลยวินเองตินเง all ซัมโซกันติเทียงติเตค่ะเก่งตาทินอินสักเล่มุนมาเสียมพัลนะลำปังข้าอันนี้เลย eng in sak le khatianga khanin tuna hian hei AMC te kan nei a khopui chunga chuanin in kan sak donin phalna la ka ngaya endi ka ngaya hun engema rei chen kha kan buai theya khatianga khanin all samzo ka ti dan tur building and construction approvals kan ti maya khatiang kha kan nei zung thei dan tu ta ka duan chho anita a tin utility service le business permission kan tia min dor te lo hong dua do lian deu te lo hong dua ta khan paltlang ngai ti neu ngai alo om ve a khang kha ol sam zokin arei lo theyang ber atlem theyang ber anti tur kha om theine turin mi pui te ol sam dan tur kha emin noi hian handa ani a chung chu a detailing ka juk lu chil lawanga lakina du big line nei chuan in zotanga kan officer ten an thriat fiat thei zelang chunga tin power sector a hian hei ma kan han la chowa kan bil te po eng tinge ol sam zo le dik zo kin a kal the ti te tin electric connection te kan lo du ta a eng tinge ol sam zo ka mi pui ten an mu zong zong theyang tiang lampang kha power sector kan malak na ani boka tin environment lama hian ma kan la boka tin tourism lama ol sam zo ka tourist te an lo thena an wa vel theina tur le dan le fai palsang tur ngai zong song te po ol sam theyang pera anti theina tur kha malak ani boka zirna lama po siam thatna education sector a hianin akal mek boka tin kan risel na lampang healthcare a hian ol sam theyang pera mi puiten risel na thazok an nei thei dan tu system te an duan chu ani a tin sarkar in rel bol na hrim regulatory reforms kan ti maya kan dan tam tak India rama kan nei hi British hun lai mi kan chom te ani a tin independence kan nei nuwa po nan tam tak hlui to relevant to lo kan tun lai ne nun ne na in me to lo amani chunga chuan heng dan hi lo en nan ro ti ol sam dan lo ngai tua ro an tia dan tam tak tu nei kan siam tha to na ni an tin nan mi cheng zanga emolek lei choi tira thathum lungin tan tiang te dan te kan nei khang ang chi kha pai tur an ron ti ta a lungin tan lama kha kan paya a fine lama kha choi tur khan ti pung thung ani chu tiang chuan engemaw chete te a lungin a in khung zung na ang chi hi ti tlema lungin tang ti tlema thil sual ti tu chu asum le pai zonga choi tir tam ang chi te po khanga po khan ma kan la nual to kan dan engemaw za thi kan a men to ani chu tiang chu ania chu wang chuanin langtlang le rin tlak sum dong te tan ol sam mi pui tan atangkai in kai hruai siam kha kan thupui ani ta a phase 1 lot ling taka zo ani to le phase 2 kalpui mek hian in rel bol na ti changtlun te mi pui tan rong bol na ti ma son te mani kuta ei zong te choi kan te le kan economy le na tar siam chwa khang lampang kha tin zon ani ten hemi a hianin department poimo zual te ha big te po rin rol de wa han nei te kan nei a department frang in ti tur kan nei hloma chunga chuanin nikum chunga India rama som pani na kan han tong thei te kan han ngai tua hianin kan tho ho na athal le in kan ria a khatiang din muna min hlang kai tu chu department franga kan la tho pui te an ni a an zawai chunga hianin lom thu kan soi du a ti chuan he phase 2 a kan priority area te kan bo zu ina hianin som pani na kan ni na tang hianin la lom kai sang le a aya India ram state zinga ati thaber pola kan chuan kai theine turin department a thok tu te zong sang sunga lom thu soi pa in kan ngem hal bok ani le kha zong kha ani zo du kan nem le yeah kan yes
So, as Honorable CM has already explained the entire purpose of the deregulation and reducing compliance burden. I just wanted to give the what kind of actually reform we have taken department wide and what is the purpose of this. So first, the digitization of registration, permission, and services. So that is the major important part of this entire exercise. For example, registration, we have provided the portals. Portal, if you wanted to registered as a factory, if you wanted to registered as a soap and establishment, if you wanted to registered under the municipal act, under the land use, everywhere we have digitized the entire process. So now there is no need to go to the officers physically, but you can apply for all these kind of registration, permission, and services through the portal. And second issue, which is I wanted to highlight, is introduction of third-party certifications. We have allowed third-party self-certification in some of the services, those services which are the low risk basis. Low risk basis, for example, our Mizoram Pollution Control Board, they are giving this permission to this pollution, air pollution and water pollution. For that purpose, they have categorized the entire category of the industries, and these they have categorized in three categories: red, and this orange and white. So white category, the third party this thing certification is allowed because they are very low risk industries, and they need not be go to for inspections and all these kind of things. The person can certify itself or through the third party, and he can take the permissions. So this is the idea which has been given for MPCB. Also, LESD department, this factory and soap and establishment act permissions, and electricity department, which we are further expanding in the phase 2. Another issue which we have given certain kind of relaxation, that is full utilization of land in industrial and commercial areas, and also we are allowing the mixed use. For that purpose, all 12 industrial areas has been digitized, and we have linked it with the Indian Industrial Land Bank. So now the investors can see this IILB portal, that where land is available, and he can avail that kind of land, and online he can apply for that. Similarly, mixed use has been allowed in the industrial area, and also some kind of industries, home-based industries, allowed in the residential areas also. Similarly, the government has allowed the change of land use, and that is basically the provision has been given in the act. But online you can apply for the change of land use also. And for providing access of industries to the rural area, road width has been reduced to 6 meter to 3 meters. The 3 meter is 6 meter is a road, and 3 meter is a carriageway. Earlier it used to be 16 meters, so now it has been reduced so that we can also set up industries in the rural areas. And similarly, we have also increased the FAR in commercial areas and also the industrial area, and we have also allowed enhanced coverage area. Earlier it used to be 60%, now the government has allowed up to a coverage of 70% of the plot area, and 75% in the standalone industries. And height also, the government has increased this industrial building height 19 meters, and for commercial building it can go up to the 24 meters. So all these things has been given so that we can utilize the available land resource very judiciously. Similarly, the fourth issue, that we have also relaxed labor laws to allow more productivity in the units. And for that purpose, the government has allowed women can also work in hazard industries, but safety provision has to be given. Similarly, they can also work in the night, but the employer has to give the transportation and also safety to the women while returning. So and the change of working hours has also been done. So this will provide to utilize the existing workforce on maximum so that we can increase our production. Another thing is service in a time-bound manner, as Chief Minister sir has already emphasized the Mizo Right to Public Service Act 2015. So in that we have already provided the timelines in which they have to provide the services. For example, factory license, the concerned authority has provided within 7 days, and Soap and Establishment Act registration 5 days, electricity connections within 5 days if electricity infrastructure is already available. PHE department, there's water supply that can be provided within 5 days if connection infrastructure is there. 15 days for installations. Similarly, in municipal corporation, this building construction permission is allowed in 30 days. 30 days. So similarly, this Mizoram Pollution Control Board, this CTE and CTO for red industries is at 21 days, orange 41 days, and white 7 days. So all these earlier these days were on a very higher side. Even in red category industry, it was goes up to the 90 days. So the government has reduced this to 21 days. So all timelines have been reduced, and most important thing that if the concerned authority is not issuing or not taking decision within these time frames, there is a provision of automatic appeal, and if appeal it is not taken into account, then deemed permission is also allowed. So this kind of reform the government has done. And next is decriminalization of offenses. So that is basically there are so many provisions basically in the labor laws. Wherever if you are not maintaining a register for the attendance of the labors, there is a provision of imprisonment. So all these kind of provisions the government has changed into compoundable offenses. So that will provide a the belief of the government in the pupil. So that is also done. And last but not least is we are integrating the entire things in national single window system. So the pupil or the investor, they can directly apply for their setting up of the factory, etc., on the single window system, and they are not required to visit any office. All the work has been done by the concerned department, C&I department, and C&I department take all the permission from the concerned department and provide to the investors. So this will be done by December 2026, because 4 department we have already integrated, 6 department is still to be integrated, and after integrating these 6 department, the entire things will be online by the C&I department, which is nodal officer. So these are the actually phase 1. And phase 2, basically, the government has further undertaken some of the issues. So further we are taking it. For example, the education department. Education department, government is already taking up to give relief to not requirement of the land, not requirement of the endowment, not requirement of the facilities, the playground, the library, all these kind of things. Otherwise, the government is linking it to the outcomes. Outcome means the quality of education. We are linking it with them, and instead of the land, endowment, and this facilities. Similarly, we have done we are trying to do in higher education. Higher education, we have already issued the notification, and all these things has been relaxed in higher education. If somebody wanted to set up a university, so there is no requirement of minimum land, no requirement of endowment, no requirement of facilities. Facilities can also be shared facilities can also be allowed by the government. So this has been done in the education sector, which we are doing in the second phase. And for health sector also, health sector, the health practitioner which is registered in other state, he can also practice here. Or the health practitioner who is registered here, he can also practice in another state. So this kind of facility is also being considered by the government. Similarly, a single agency is being appointed in the health department, which will provide all kind of permissions for setting up the clinic, hospitals, and other things, so that they need not require to go each and every desk for their permissions. So these are the basic issues we have done, and now we can take the questions
Okay.
from the press.
Yeah. Rõ na. Name.
Service deliveryลูกอ้อยตกลงตาอีละแอปที่แล้วก็คอมเพลนถ้าเราแถลูกตาอีละเขาจะแถลูกตัวแก respective head department head of target อย่างนี้ก็ไล่ตัดต่อไล่ตัดเจ้าเลยที่เขาจะแถลูก
Right to service, right to public service delivery act kan department tina nodal officer ang point pe kamo kata kan chen bai perfect to tin kia nodal officer ka
mi ta na tang kai le tak tak kan ya ta to ni a se tur amang tang kai tu mi puite na ria theina dia eng tin nge mala ka lo ni to eng tin nge mala sun som zel an dia tu tin an tin